Hello everyone and welcome to another UltraTech product training session. Today we are talking about the Ultra Spill Pallet Plus models. The Spill Pallet Plus models are one of our more recent introductions. There is a 1 drum, a 2 drum, a 3 drum, and a 4 drum spill pallet. This is the only spill pallet line that has all 4 of those options. The 1 drum is rated at 800 pounds, the 2 and 3 drum rated at 4,500 pounds, and the 4 drum is rated at 9,000 pounds. Keep in mind those are a uniformly distributed load. So if the weight is not uniformly distributed, it might not meet those published weight capacities. Also worth noting is that this 4 drum at 9,000 pounds weight capacity is the strongest 4 drum spill pallet that we offer. The next highest rated spill pallet is the Spill King at 6,500 pounds. Containment capacity, the 1 drum can hold up to 62 gallons, 2 and 3 drum hold up to 66 gallons, and the 4 drum holds up to 75 gallons. All of these capacities will meet or exceed the EPA and SPCC regulations. I'll put a link down below in the description to a video that helps to explain the EPA regulations in more detail. All of the spill pallets are made with 100% polyethylene construction. We rotationally mold these at our factory in Ohio. And we use polyethylene because it doesn't rust or corrode and because it has excellent chemical resistance. They all can be moved with a forklift or a pallet jack. Keep in mind that the 1, 2, and 3 drum have a 2-way forklift entry, and the 4 drum has a 4-way forklift entry. All of the Spill Pallet Plus models do have removable grating, so you can get a quick visual inspection, or if there is a spill, it makes cleanup quick and easy. The Cross of Life is a safety feature that we have in some of our spill pallets. As you can see here, the 2, 3, and 4 drum all have this feature built in. The 1 drum does not. I will put a link down below in the description to a video that helps to explain the Cross of Life better. But basically, it is a safety feature that prevents the sidewalls from being pushed out too far. As far as options go, we have a drain plug available. It's a 3/4 inch drain plug. It just makes it easier to remove any spills that may occur. There are also ramps available for each of the spill pallets. Keep in mind that the 1 drum has a different ramp. The 2 drum, the 3 drum, and the 4 drum all use the same ramp. There are also pullover covers available. This can be used outdoors to keep the rain off of the spill pallet and the drums, or indoors to keep the dirt and the dust off of the drums and the pallet. As far as applications go, just like all of our other spill pallets, the applications typically will be an indoor application. Some of those could be manufacturing, warehousing, chemical processing, property management, auto service. Really anywhere where there's a 55-gallon drum is a good potential application for the spill pallets. So why would you choose the Spill Pallet Plus model over one of our other models? It is the lowest profile at 8 3/4 inches. I do have an asterisk here because the 1 drum is the outlier of the bunch. It is a little bit taller at 12 inches, but as far as comparing the 4 drum to other 4 drum spill pallets or the 2 drum to other 2 drum spill pallets, at 8 3/4 inches, it is the lowest profile. Weight capacity, I mentioned this earlier when we looked at the weight capacities of these pallets. If there is a heavier load being put on, for example, the 4 drum spill pallet, it's rated at 9,000 pounds, which is significantly greater than anything else that we offer. So if that is a concern for you or your customer, then the Spill Pallet Plus model is probably a good solution. Also, as I mentioned, this is the only spill pallet line that we have where there is a 1 drum and a 3 drum available. So if that's what you're looking to contain, that quantity of drums, then this would be the way to go. Why wouldn't you choose the Spill Pallet Plus models over one of our other pallets? If you are budget conscious and you're looking for the least expensive option, then this won't be the best choice. You might want to look at one of our economy model spill pallets. Also, the footprint, because because it is a lower profile, the footprint is a little bit bigger than some of our spill pallets. So if you're limited on space and the area that you have is restricted, then you might want to also look at one of our other spill pallets. Some of those products to consider: we do have a nestable spill pallet that's going to save a lot of space as far as storage or shipping. Spill deck bladder systems is very low profile if that's a key consideration. We do have outdoor spill containment. We have hardtop, and as I mentioned in the previous slide, we do have more economical options with the economy spill pallets. And if plastic's not your thing, we have steel spill pallets as well. I'll put links to all of these products down below in the description if you care to investigate further. Thank you very much for your time. Look for more training videos on our YouTube channel.